Payday, get out. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Ah! Oh no. Oh, the fountain's pouring on us. How refreshing. Oh yeah, feels so good. Oh, I can get my hair all wet. Miss Jive, are you okay? Yeah. Why? What's wrong? Where are you? You were face down in the pool. Yeah, because I was searching for treasure. In a pool? You were searching for treasure in a pool? You know, I'm just pretending. I'm the Dread Pirate Mayhem. Oh no, not the Dread Pirate. That's right. And I'm out to capture everyone. No, hurry, everybody, run away. I'm gonna get you all. No way, don't get me. This pirate doesn't spare anyone. I will fight you, pirate. Hiya. Oh no, ah! He's defeated me. Yay! Hooray for Little Punk Boy. Hooray. You guys are so silly. That's so much fun. Yeah, you know what else is silly? No, what? This? Gotcha! Oh, no. No squirting on my face. Because I'll get you back. Ha! Aww, I guess I'm not very good at squirting. It's okay, come on. Well, I am, and I'll get everyone. Hiya! Ha! I'll get you all. Oh no, not us. We'll get you back. Everybody, pile up on Giddy. Yeah, pile up. Oh no. Haha, I've escaped. Now to make a swirling wool air pool of you all. Whirlpool. Ah! Oh no, we're trapped in the whirlpool. How will we get out? Okay. I guess I will stop the whirlpool. Woo. That was a lot of swirling water. I think I swallowed some. Well, don't swallow it. I didn't want to spit it out either. Yeah, I guess that's alright. Just be careful. Don't swallow too much water. Okay. Oh no, watch out! The monster is coming! It's huge! Ah, everyone be careful! Whoa! Oh no, a monster! It's gonna get us all! What? Hey guys, that's not a monster. It's an LOL surprise Hairgoals! Oh, whoops! We actually need to see who came to this pool party. Guess they didn't want to miss out on all the fun. Hey, and look at this cool peachy color hairspray bottle. I love it. All right, let's see. Uh-oh, did any of our stuff get all wet? Not really. More cool stickers. And our message is bad hair day. Oh no, bad hair day. Good thing we've got our hairspray. That should help. Let me peel away here. Alright, about got it. And here we go. Opening up our hairspray bottle. Got our guide. Here's our doll. Who's hiding behind there? I'm going to take out our curlers. Some surprises in there. And of course our surprises here. Going to start with our curlers. Super fun to use on your hair. Here we go. We've got ourselves a water bottle. And look at this. Yellow, red, and checkered flag. Fun for racing. Time for the other curler. Gotta take off that holder piece, then you can open it. And we have our blue comb. And now for our surprises. Ooh, a checker flag hat. I like it. Hey, I like hats. Oh, where's my hat? I don't know, but this is not yours. So let's see who it does belong to. Gonna open up another surprise here. We're gonna get an outfit out. This is super cute. Some little denim jeans, little tied up shirt. Let's go in with these other, whoops, dropped it. Whoopsies, into the water. Good thing these are waterproof. Checker flag shoes. Noticing a theme here. And our final surprise bag. Here we go. What do we have here? Ooh, a red wristband. Let me just feel around, make sure there's not two. Okay, looks like we just got one. And now it's time to reveal our doll. Just gotta get this wrapped part off of her. Let's see. Come on, come on. There we go. That is off, and now to reveal her face. Whoa, whoa, look at this hair. It's Skater Girl. I love her red hair, her little curled up pigtails. I am going to go ahead and get her dressed to put on her little wristband there and her top. And get that around her arm. Come on, work with me. Hey, hey. Shirt and wristband are on. Now those cute denim shorts. Got it. Oh, look, she's got a little band-aid on her leg. She must have taken a little fall. And now the shoes. Just like that. Oh, they remind me of like Vans. Maybe that's what they're supposed to be like. And then her hat, which goes on backwards. Super cute Skater Girl. Hey, let's check out what she does. Here we go, Skater Girl. I didn't see any. Nope, I see the color changing starting now. Look at those awesome socks. I wonder if something else is going on underneath her clothes. Let's get these shoes off. Oh, the socks are so pretty when they change colors. All right, here we are in the warm water. Everything's all white. And then in the cold, she changes. Let me get it nice and cold here so we can really get a good look. See? Checker bottoms, flaming top, bright red socks. It's so cool. Into the warm, it's gone. Into the cold, it comes back. Hey, sorry if I scared you guys. You didn't scare me. I knew it was an LOL all along. Well, you're one smart cookie. But I've just been out skating and I'm super duper hungry. You must be reading my mind. Come on, how about a snack? Oh yeah. What a beautiful day to sit poolside with some refreshments. I couldn't agree more, madam. Aren't we fancy? Now what shall we have first? Some fruit? Yes, an apple for me, please. I will take some bananas. Crunch. That's a very loud apple. I know it's so crunchy, but juicy too. I like my mushy soft banana. It's so sweet. Shall we have a sip of our drink? Yes, please. Delightful, madam. Yes, and to you, madam. You're so silly. I'm done with my refreshment. I missed the pool. Me too. Let's go. Nay. What are you doing? What are you doing? Calling for more pets? Woo, woo. I think you are. Guys. Oh no, I swallowed more water. Oh, the pets have come for fun though. Yay! Everybody's swimming and having a great time. Woo! Yay! Pool time is the best. I'm getting so tired and I've really got to stop swallowing water. Oh, I think I've been swallowing a lot of water. Oh no, I think I've got a problem. Oh yeah, I've gotta, excuse me, guys, sorry, excuse me, I gotta get out of here. Oh, there's no way, oh, there's somebody everywhere. I gotta get to the ladder. Oh, oops, baby, sorry, oops, which way are you going? Trying to get out, what's wrong? Oh no. Sorry, guys, sorry. Not to worry, everybody out, we can get it cleaned up super quick. No need to ruin our pool party fun. Everybody's back in! Yay! Woohoo! I'm so glad I came today. Skating's fun, but playing in the pool is too. Woohoo! Yeah, let's stay all day, guys. Yay! Wait, oh my goodness. Wait, I think there's something in this one. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling something here. Wait. See, if I start to stretch out, there's definitely something in there. Oh, alarm clock. Ow! What am I hitting my head on? What is this? Guys, wake up! Turn the alarm clock off. I already did. Look around. There's some crazy stuff in our room. Huh? What are you? Whoa! I'm surrounded by something. I told you. What is going on? I just, huh? What standing on? What is this? Huh? Slime? How did slime get in our room? I don't know. What do we do? We open it. It's slime, and slime is awesome. Oh yeah, what am I thinking? Ooh, wow. Slime is awesome. And this one is even better because it's super slime, galaxy slime. Yeah. Oh, look, she's having fun stretching it out. Look at this. You can kind of see this like clear bottle. So you can see what the galaxy slime looks like a little bit in there. And it's got this really cool outside, looks like slime that's oozing down. All right, let's see what this slime is really like. Is it gonna be super ooey gooey slippery? Or maybe kind of sticky? And what kind of colors? See, now I'm seeing some different colors in here. All right, let's see how we get this cap off. It just pops right off. And then we have this little bit of foil to peel away. Oh, neat. Oh, it looks like it's separated into like the two colors. See, there's this bit of a plastic piece. And on one side, we'd have this purple slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can just get this purple galaxy slime out. Okay, come on, come on. It keeps going and going and going. I think I've just about got it. Can you see down to the bottom there? Just a little bit more. Come on out, all you slime. Oh, here we go. It's getting more glittery. Come on! There we go. I finally got it. So it was just more kind of plain purple towards the top, but I definitely found some more glittery spots, and I bet we can kind of work that in a little bit. And it's really not too sticky, like it kind of sticks a little bit, but then it comes off. Whoa, it's really soft, smooth, shiny slime. I love slime that looks shiny like this. And it kind of does remind me of the galaxy. It's that dark sky with the streaks of lights and stars. If you look out through a telescope or something, so pretty. Ooh, this is fun. It is so cool and gloppy, gloopy, whatever those words mean. And kind of see through as you start to stretch it out. You can kind of see the light through there. All right, what do you say we check out the other color, and then maybe we'll even mix it together a little bit. I wonder if this, okay, the plastic piece does come out, so I guess you could keep it separated if you wanted to, but you don't have to. All right, we'll get this rest of the slime plopped out. Plop, plop, plop. Okay, got it. So this one is more of a pink color, and it has tons of glitter in it. Has a little bit of the purple running through it. I mean, look at this silver streak here. Wait, oh my goodness. Wait, I think there's something in this one. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling something here. Wait, see, if I start to stretch out, there's definitely something in there. It's black, but kind of hard. Wait a minute, is that a little sister? Little baddie? What are you doing? Oh, I can't believe you. Well, you came in this little bag that definitely shows the nighttime sky. There you are peeking out of it. You're so sneaky. Guess you like that galaxy slime. Yeah, play. Oh, yay, play. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Whoa. Oh, you're mixing it all up, little baddie. Ah, it's got me. Oh, no. Ah. Just kidding. She is just being silly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the slime together. The pink and the purple looks even cooler when it's kind of mixed up together. Oh, let me see if I can mix it up a little bit more. Stretch it out. I mean, look at those colors. It is so pretty when it's like that. I think I definitely like it mixed up. Even the sparkly glitter is getting mixed through better. So pretty. All right, and one of the best parts, aside from how much fun it is to play with, of course, is it comes in a cool container, so you can keep your, oops, funny sounds. You can keep your slime in good condition, stored away. Oh my, can you see the glitter on my hands? Might have to wash that off. What is all this noise about? Are you kidding? We've got slime everywhere and it's totally awesome. What? Slime? Slime? Not on you, in these things. Really? Yeah, there's one here, one behind Neon Cutie, one back here. It's a unicorn slime. I've got to see it. Yeah, we want to see this unicorn slime too. Seeing purpley, blue, and pink. Oh, I can't wait. Love unicorns. All right, unicorn slime. I want to see what you look like. Pretty container, pink lid. Oops. And it already started peeling off. Oh, I wonder if they'll all be split and then you can mix them. Okay, what do I do first? I gotta go pink. Just gotta go with the pink. It's just so pretty. Okay, come on out. Trying not to let the other one fall out too. Pretty pink, soft, and it's kind of cool. It feels kind of cool in my hand. Oh no, are you kidding me? Is there something in here? What is going on? I keep thinking that I'm just getting slime, but I'm little sister again. Little unicorn. You were hiding in the unicorn slime? Of course. What other slime would I hide in? Well, I don't know if you should be in any of the slime, but I do know why you chose the unicorn slime. It is just your kind of colors, and it is fun to play with. Stretchy, gooey, yucky slime. All right, let's get out some of that purple slime too. See if I can just pull it out as I pull out this little piece of plastic. It's what keeps your slime separated, so if you do want to keep it separate, then you might want to leave that in there. But I don't. I know that real unicorn slime would be mixed together, so it would look so pretty. Look what happens. This is kind of cool. I kind of just put the purple on top of the pink, and then when you sort of stretch it out or pull it through, you can see the pink behind the purple. It just gives like a really cool effect, I think. Neat, I like it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix it through. Kind of take some stretching and folding over, that kind of thing. Oh, it is so fun. I like the streakiness of the different colors going through here. Super, super fun. And of course, you know, slime is kind of cool because even if you like kind of rip it apart and tear it up and everything, if you just let it sit like on a table or in its container for a few minutes, it just all sort of goes back together and it's like it was never torn apart before. So maybe I'll just leave this setting here for a minute. What? But I can't resist. Belly flop. Woo! Scribbles. I can't understand you. This is the best ever. It's so silly. I wonder if I can wrap you up. Can I wrap you up like a burrito in there? Oh no, where did Scribbles go? He is in the unicorn slime burrito. But I think we maybe should get him out of there. It's like he's been wrapped up in a cocoon or something. Do you see him? I can see him. Don't worry, we'll get you out. We just have to stretch a bit more. Stretching and stretching. He's really stuck in there, isn't he? Oh, it's starting to come apart. I see his feet coming out. All right, let's get you out of there. Trapped like in a spider's web. Oh, that totally rocked. Yes, it did look like lots of fun. And we do have these super fun pink and purple unicorn slime colors here. Let's go ahead and get it back in our container. Here goes our lid. Okay, I can't wait anymore. I really want to see this gold slime. What about the mermaid slime? No, gold. Mermaid. Gold. All right, guys. We're going to see them all. But this gold slime does look pretty neat. Gonna open it up. Ooh, it's like getting treasure or something with the gold slime. Looks really cool. Now, I don't see two colors in here, so I don't know that this one will be split up. It might just be all one, but we're gonna find out as soon as I get this open. Ah, yes. It is just all in one. It's not split. But do you see how golden this looks? I mean, it almost looks like they just melted gold and poured it in here. Wow. Yeah. Good choice, Neon Cutie. This gold is magnificent looking. It's such a beautiful color gold. Can you imagine if you were just holding this much gold? For real? Hey. Oh, I think we have a golden surprise. I am just so shocked by how pretty this is. What kind of surprise? Will it be more gold? Let's see. I'm seeing something here. Let's get it out. More gold. I see a little eye. Who is it? Oh, little Lux. You came in a gold bag? Yeah, I love gold. Yes, I know you do. And this is some of the best gold slime I've ever seen. It goes on forever. This really does look so amazing. Goldie, 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 gold, gold. Goldie, 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 gold. Yay! I'm swimming in gold. Yeah! I'm doing the backstroke in gold. Okay, Punk Boy. Don't get too crazy. But I understand why he's so excited. Oh, and it just plop. It's really neat. Let me see if I can maybe just pour it over my whole hand. The slime really seems like extra slimy, where when you put it on something, it starts to just fall down and stretch over it. Look at my fingers. Look at that. It looks like my finger is covered in gold. You can see my nail and like where my knuckle is. You could maybe trick somebody, be like, look at my gold hand, guys. I wonder how, let me see how it would look on the other side. Let me try, see if I can get it to, drape down the inside of my hand. Lots of bubbles in there. It's dripping, it's dripping. You can start to see it kind of forming on my pointer finger and my thumb. It's a little bit thicker on the other fingers, but it's so cool. It's like I have a golden glove. Really neat. And the best part, it just comes right off. Wait a minute. Do you see this giant bubble that just happened? This one is probably the best at making bubbles, and it doesn't even like pop really easily, which is kind of fun. You can what would be really cool is if there was like a little sister inside of it. Let's see if we can set one. Whoop! She sat right on top of it. Oh no, she broke the bubble. All right, as much fun as this gold is, I think I better put it back in the container. My liquid gold, I better keep this one in a secret place. Last but not least, we can finally get to our mermaid slime. This one looks like it's all one color too, so not split up. Just want to peel this off. I love the colors even of these containers. So, you know, the lid kind of matches. And here we go. I think this is going to be about as awesome as the gold one. Even though it's not, you know, kind of fun like getting to mix them, they just look so neat. I mean, look at this color. It's like being in the ocean, and whoa, maybe someone else thought it was like being in the ocean? Yeah, definitely. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, come on, hold on, you're slipping all around. It's like there's a fish loose in my hand. Oh, I'm getting something. Here's a shell bag. No, it's, oh, it's a little Splash Queen. Come on. Wow, little Splash Queen, this almost matches your hair perfectly. I like it. It's oh so pretty. I mean, look, it's like the waves. Woo! It is a beautiful ocean, sparkly ocean mermaid color. It's like magic, just like mermaids. I love it. So pretty and sparkly. It's just fun to like squish in your hand. Let me see if I can make a smooth ball. Just like a smooth little ball that's silly. And this kind is like the gold kind where it's very drippy over your hand. It just starts to fall down. Oh, and I just love the way, kind of reminds me of like what a mermaid's skin would maybe be like, or to have these beautiful shimmering colors in it where when the light sparkles off of it, it looks so pretty. And it kind of makes me look like I have webbed hand here, so I could swim really well through the water too with the mermaid. Really, really pretty. Wow, this was a pretty awesome surprise to have in the morning. Slime surprise in the morning. Who wouldn't like that? Slime's put away now. Oh, I'm feeling kind of sad. Hey, maybe if we go to sleep again, we'll wake up with new surprises. Yeah. Come on, everybody back to bed. Good night. No way, look what I found, my favorite, soda, yum. And there's so many flavors here just for me. Whoa, look at this, I found soda. No, wait, I found it first. I don't see your name on it. I found it too. Root beer, orange, yeah, grape, and lemon lime. Soda's wonderful. Okay, let's share it, but maybe don't tell anybody else. Okay, deal. What do we start with first? How about some grape soda? Okay. Scribbles wants to try out this yummy grape soda that he found. Wait a minute. Grape soda? Slime? They've been tricked. It's not really soda, it's slime. Who would trick them like that? Oh, it says it's scented. Looks and feels real? It feels like soda? Soda's watery. Okay, let's see. We need to pop the top open. Can't get it open like that, but I can remove the top. And we'll take off this plastic piece. Oh, there's a little tab. Okay, let's take a look. Looks really dark, just like grape soda does. But as it comes out, you can see it's lighter and it's purple. And it does kind of pour. Whoa, and plop. Really cool. So it definitely does kind of look like a grape soda because it's purpley and thin. You can kind of see through it when there's not so much of it. Ooh, gooey. And it is actually kind of cold. Let me give it a smell. It really does smell like sweet grape soda. And it is ooey, gooey, squishy in my hands. I'm kind of glad it's not grape soda because the slime is so fun. But ow, what did I just hit? Oh, there's something else in this grape soda. What it is? Do you? Oh my goodness. Little Shapes, is that you? I can actually see you in there and you're falling as it stretches. Oh no. She looks so silly in there. I can't believe I can see her. Oh, and that slime was falling too much. Okay, Little Shapes. I guess I need to get you out of there, huh? You must have found this slime soda first. I bet you thought it was soda too and wanted to drink up. Yeah, soda yummy. Slime not yummy. No, slime is not for eating or drinking. Just to play with, if I can get it off my sticky fingers. There she is, mostly cleaned up, I think. Yeah, ooey gooey slime sticky. Yeah, the slime is a little bit sticky. Let's see, I'm thinking we better get this ooey gooey grape soda slime back in its container. There we go, it's awesome that we have a place to keep it. My finger can poke right into there. And I will just put the cap on for safety. Little Shapes, we were tricked. Yeah, me too. Not real soda. You think these others are real soda? Well, I can't wait any longer. I've got to see if this is real root beer. Let me see. I use my glasses here to see. Scented? Root beer slime. Oh man, I was really wanting to drink some root beer, but slime is cool too. Yes, slime is cool too. Root beer slime looks and feels real, and it's scented. Oh, I can't wait to see if this really does smell like root beer. So it is dark inside as well. Let's see, root beer should kind of have like a brownish color. This is kind of brown, almost looks a lot like the grape soda. Let's get it to So it definitely has a real look to it, the real feel, not so much, but it is a see-through kind, a little more on the brown or darker side than the grape soda. Let's smell. It kind of smells like soda, but not necessarily root beer, I think, but very cool. And I like that maybe this one isn't quite as sticky as the grape soda. It's not sticking to my fingers so bad. Hey, is somebody in here too? I think so. Yeah, who are you in here? Oh, I see an eyeball. Are you a big sister? You feel big. You're not a big sister. You're a pet. Oh my goodness. It's our Posh Pup. Look at this. What are you doing? You like soda too? You like playing in the slime? Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Swinging, swinging, swinging. What a silly pup. Woo! This is so cool. It's like they're just hanging there, but you can see them so perfectly, which is cool about this slime is that it's like see-through. I see you guys back there. Oh my gosh, you almost can't even tell that there's something on her because she's like, except for that she's kind of glossy. Okay, time to get you out. Okay, let's peel off the slime. Wow, it's really on there. You are gonna need a little puppy bath, I think. Oh, you don't like that idea? A bath is good for you. Not too bad. Got you cleaned up pretty good. No, it's not real slime. But you can play in it. Yay! Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And you can try to dig. You can't really dig in it. No, but it is super fun for a pup to play in. Whoa! Playtime for our pup. Oh, you want to hide in it some more? Oh! Where'd the pup go? And there, slowly, she is. Alright, I think we better get this mess cleaned up. We've got a spill of root beer. Hey, I bet you could play a trick and maybe make someone think that you spilled your soda. But you can say, tricked ya, it's just slime. Make sure you don't do it on any carpet or anything. It could get stuck in it. Just a nice, flat, solid surface, and it won't stick. Okay, slime is, whoops. Slime is going back in and closing it up. Awesome. Well, I guess we can pretty much say that these are not real cans of soda. They're just slime. Oh yeah, slime, slime, slime everywhere. But I'm kind of excited to see what's in this slime. Silly things are coming out. Okay, lemon lime slime. Yeah, I'm ready to see what you got in there. Hello? 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 Who's someone in there? Something in there? Come out. Okay, Scribbles is pretty excited about this lemon lime slime and what might be inside of it. Really cool can. Makes me think of lemon lime. And pull this off. Now let's check out the color. Much lighter. Yeah, kind of this green, this light green color. Still kind of see-through, ploppity plop. Wow, perfect color. Ready to smell. It does smell like lemon lime. Squeeze, ooey gooey. Ow, what is it? What is it? Hee hee hee. Oh, is that a little sister in there laughing? Hee hee. What? Little sister twins? I wasn't expecting two of you. What are you doing in there? Are you playing in this slime? You look so silly. I love this clear slime. I think it's really cool that you can see what you might have inside of it. It makes it more fun. And I'm gonna squish you guys all around. Look, it's like you're swimming in soda. Which would not be a good idea. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna get you out of there. One little yin twin. There you are. And I've got another one to get out of here. Whoops. You're upside down, silly. Okay, maybe that might make you dizzy a little bit. Out you go. Just like that. Ta-da! Now let's check out our slime a little better. Look at how you can see my hand so easily through it. Oh, and what's back there? I mean, it's definitely a little blurry, but you can definitely see through it, which is cool. I mean, at this point, when it gets stretched out, it almost looks perfectly clear. And then when you put it back together, you can see the kind of light yellowish green color that it has, just like lime soda. And look, now we've got some bubbles in it now, so it really makes it look like soda. Bubbly, bubbly, tickles your nose. Whoa, stretch it out. Squeeze it together in your hands. Look, it's like a little bubble. So stretchy and fun. Oh, really cool. Let's see if I can slime my hand. Kind of starts to drip down. I bet this one could kind of look like yucky snots, right? Okay. Back into Your slime container you go. Come up. Whoa! Spillage! Ah, it's spilling over the side. That's okay. Right back in you go. Let's open orange. Yum, yum, orange. And then we can all play. Oh yes, we can open the orange slime and everybody can have fun and play orange soda slime. Can't wait to smell this one. I do love the scent of orange. There we go. It is an orange color. I don't know if it looks too dark, but now you can see orange soda. Come on out, orange soda. Right into my hand. I want to smell this one. Orangey citrus smell, and it's so bright. I love this. Is probably my favorite color because it's so bright orange. Right now I know there's got to be a surprise in here. Is it a little sister? Big sister? Brother? Oh no! What is this? Some surprise accessories? Wait. What do we have here? Is it a dress? Ooh, a dress. Oh, Goody is excited about a dress. Oh, and a pink dress. Yay, pink. Yeah, I love this pink dress. Oh, that does look like it's your style. Okay, what else is in there? Let me get it. Okay, let me help. All right, Goody is super excited about this stuff. Oh, look, Goody, another pair of sunglasses. Yay, more sunglasses and pinky. Yeah, I think you like pink. Yes, even though it's in the orange soda. That's true. We've got one last item here. Let me see. It's a beautiful purse. Wow, an awesome designer purse to put all my stuff in. Yes, best soda slime can ever. Yes, well, Goody was certainly excited about those surprises. Oh, and like I was saying, look at this cool orange color. It is so bright and fun and makes me feel happy. Really cool to squish all about. Oh, does anybody want to play in this fun slime? Yeah, we do. Squish! Like two sumo wrestlers. Whoa! Yeah, it's like swimming in Jell-O. Yes, it would be just like that. And we can wiggle you around. Wiggle. Super duper silly. Slime really is super fun to play with, to stretch around. Kind of helps me relax a little bit too. You know, when I'm thinking about things, I can just kind of stretch and let it slime sloop down. Does it sloop down? Maybe I made that up. And I can squeeze it in my hand and it's so relaxing. Twist it all about. And what's fun is the slime just goes back to normal. It doesn't get messed up or anything as you twist it and stretch it. It always goes back together. And now this slime, let go of the dress, is going back into its container to get saved for later. Okay, so maybe it wasn't soda, but I think we had even more fun with the slime. Yeah, us too. We were hiding. Yeah, it was fun when you guys were hiding. Hey, maybe we can play a trick on someone else and make them think it's soda. Yeah, come on, let's try it. We'll go to another park. So who do we think we have in here, huh? This is it, Skipper. This is my little market produce stand. It's really nice. So look, I just need you to run it for me. I've got my sweet shop over there that I need to work at. Yeah, I think I can do it. I've got some little brothers and sisters coming over later. Do you think that's okay? Oh sure, just keep them out of trouble. I will. So is this everything? Oh no, I'm afraid there's a little setting up to do. Everything you need for the stand is right over there. Oh yeah, okay, I see it. Just get it set up, welcome customers, get them the things that they need. Got it? I sure do. I'll be really good. I promise to do a good job, Barbie. Oh, thanks so much. Well, give me a call if you need me. Well, bye. Okay, gotta do a good job for Barbie. So first, I need to get her produce stand set up because it doesn't have anything ready yet. Let's see, what does she have over here? Well, here's the first thing we've got in place. We need a register so we can ring everything up. That looks good. Now we need to get some other things put in here. That looks good. A little raspberry and blueberry yogurt. Okay, we've got orange juice, milk. Oh, I'm sure somebody will enjoy those. And finally, for this shelf, some milk. But where's that produce gonna go? Oh, I think right down here. I don't think our produce is gonna go right there. How about we add this little shelf? That makes a nice spot for it. Yes, let's see. We've got some bananas, some fresh carrots, red apples, and here's some lettuce. But we're gonna need a weigh. How will we weigh these things though? Oh look, a scale. All right, that's a good spot for our scale. We just put the fruit or veggies in and we can weigh them up.